Hello, friends. Let's go for a ride. I gotta return some stuff for Shibski. So this will be like a shorter one, but it'll at least give me something to throw on. I haven't been able to get a full moto vlog up just because this camera's been a little cranky, I think is the best way to describe it. But yeah, happy August. Shib's birthday was yesterday. Mine's coming up in a few days, and shout outs to everyone who's been bombing the goddamn throne. Absolute menaces. But yeah, let's go for a ride. But yeah, I'm really excited about what we have going. That Skyrim that Penn and I gigged up is honestly gonna be so fucking absurd. Like, y'all have no idea how cool that is. But yeah, we got that. Gonna try and get a bunch of games going there as well. Hopefully get to play with some of y'all community-wise. Try readjusting some of my camera cables here. Oof. Front brake's getting a little squeezy. But yeah, it should be really cool, really awesome. Definitely trying my best to put out some good fucking content, you know? There we go. This thing gets a little finicky, man. It just takes so much air to run this engine. But yeah, you know, it's been a really neat time, and I super appreciate all the support and everyone hanging out. I also finished setting up the new 3D printer, which it's really amazing how much changes in a handful of years, like 2-3 years. Last one was like, you know, about 15-20 minutes to set it up, and then, you know, about an hour or two of calibration and testing it. This thing's already printed 3 fucking things for me in like under an hour. It's like so absurd. And to be honest, not much more than I paid for, you know, the last printer, which is fucking nuts. Technology's cool as shit. Beautiful day out. Hopefully y'all are taking care of yourselves at home. But yeah, announcements, obviously. Birthday on the 12th. I have a crap ton of giveaways set up for that. I got some absurdly gamer art prints. Definitely got some tea from our friends at Adagio. I have a handheld emulator. That is going to be really fucking neat. That's pretty much the same one I think I gave away for Christmas. It's just a fucking really sweet piece. 26th, I believe, at around 2:00 p.m. say Saturday, I will be doing my first ever DJ set for Annie Clover's 4th anniversary, and that's super cool to me. Like, I'm super excited to have the opportunity to do that. I also haven't DJ'd in quite some time, but I'll probably do a little bit of a practice session one of these weeks coming up, and we can have fun with it. Um, 27th, I want to say roughly noon, we'll be doing the Final Fantasy series relay on RPG limit break. I'll be doing 15, any percent glitchless. You're an asshole. So that's always a fun time. I'm always super comfy with that one. This road is so fucked sometimes. Yeah, I think that's mostly what we've got on. I'm still trying to plan some sort of like charity golfing or friends event kind of a thing. I also have something much bigger to announce at some point. I'm just, you know, figuring out when the time is right for it. Don't 100% know when that'll be, but hopefully soonish. I'm just, you know, testing the waters, feeling some stuff out. It's the mail truck. The mail truck always has the right of way. I can't believe they decided to just smash a bunch of... I mean, I can. Fucking smash a bunch of houses in there. Something unique out of the stream, and I think I'm gonna continue kind of pushing the envelope of technological capabilities as well as creativity, you know? I definitely need to become more of a brand than just Final Fantasy 15 speedruns. I do want to get back to Forspoken very shortly. I don't know when, but we'll probably roll that for a few for a good bit of time. Not good bit, but I definitely want to revisit it. There's a lot of new strats, so. Not even looking? No, not even looking. This area sucks. Alright, friendos. I will catch you once I can get this properly into neutral. I don't know why she fights me. this is griefing me real bad right now. Yeah, nah, it just won't neutral. That's weird. There it is. Being silly. Alright. Be right back. Excellent. Looks like someone over there getting their first ride in, learning how to ride. Great. Always great to practice, to be honest. Nice bike. Looking up. Let's see if they need a hand getting it back up. Yep, there you go. It's all good. That's why you practice. I've done that before. I'll go give some words of encouragement. Better to drop it here than on the road, dude.
I know, that's why I practiced it here.
Good job practicing, man. Stay safe. Always good to practice. Motorcycles are like one of those things as well. Like you very, very rarely do you want to leave someone who looks stranded or doesn't have a plan of action with a motorcycle. It's tough. Thankfully, like nowadays, you know, cell phones are so easy and you're not even fucking looking. Like, you just kind of, especially for me, like I try and keep an eye out for fellow riders. This is dangerous, but he's already slowing down. Dig and pull. It's not the 1st, it's not the 15th, it's not the 30th. All the old peeps is out today. I can tell this is an older vehicle, considering the D plate hasn't been around for ages, and with an inspection, so we stopped using inspection stickers in fucking 2020, or I'm sorry, 2018, 2017. But it's got stickers from 16 on it yet. Sheesh. Great day to ride. Woo! I'm awake and alive. Maybe that's what I need. Maybe this is the answer to why I'm so tired. Let's go ride your motorcycle. Oh, you can... This is just a suck fest. And where exactly are you planning on going? Go ahead. You're at least merging properly. Undercover cop. Harassing the homeless. Nice. Hopefully they're not actually harassing them. I'm kind of thankful. I'm very, very anti-police. The police around here actually like have a lot, they get a lot of extra training for dealing with, you know, drug issues, like non-violent stuff like that, where people just actually need help more than they, you know, need law and order. So they definitely, all cops are bad cops, but they're, in terms of bad, they could be worse, really. They're more focused on integrating with the community and helping people out and getting people to, you know, to help in services that they need more than bullying people. I've honestly lived here for, God, 7 or 8 years, and I think I've seen them actually pull someone over once. But either way, I feel incredible. It was nice to go out for a ride. I'm really excited to stream. I'm excited for this weekend. Hopefully y'all are as well. It should be a fun and wacky time. I definitely want to play games with y'all. I want to give away a bunch of stuff. I want to make people feel included. Have a tremendous time with the stream and honestly show how cool this fucking community is. You know, we're more than just a bunch of degenerates. Well, I mean, I am. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but wow, it's a huge dip there. Definitely want to make people feel welcome and appreciated for the, you know, fucking countless hours y'all have invested into this stream. Let alone fucking gifts and bits and all sorts of other wacky support. Y'all really are the best. Oh, hell yeah, conversion van, baby. Conversion vans need to make a comeback, dog, in the baddest way. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get this parked. This thing sounds so good, and I don't care who it pisses off! Alright, motherfuckers. We is home. Bike runs great! Not bad after we got fucking torrential rain for the past, you know, however long. But I shall see you all on the internet. Deuces.